Good morning everyone, it's day 3 in Phu Quoc Island. Today we are heading over Hon Thom Island. So to get there we're going to have to board on a cable car. We've actually done this before in our previous visit that was like 5 years ago. Has anything changed? Is it still the same? Has there been any interesting development going on? So join us and let's find out together. To get to Hon Thom, you will have to board the cable car from the departure terminal at An Toi Station. We were overwhelmed by the number of people embarking on this cable car ride. Man, it's absolutely packed here. Compared to the last time when we visited here, this time around it's massive. As mentioned earlier, we came to this island in 2019. We remember there was an amazing beach which we plan to visit again. And we've also heard that now there is a water theme park as well. By the way, the ticket for both the cable car and the theme park is also part of the complimentary package courtesy of Venice Hotel. Okay, now so we are inside the cable car. Not much has changed except the fact that this time around we can see there are more people going to visit this island and using the cable car facility. I would say that this is the best ever cable car that I ride. It's so damn high and so magnificent, the view from here. That was one excellent ride on the cable car. Oh man, when it goes up, it goes really high. Then when it comes down, you can feel the stomach is moving. Once we arrived, we decided that we will go explore the water theme park first and then head to the beach. To give you an idea what is Hon Thom all about, just think of it as a sunway lagoon on an island. Exploring the water park, we decided to take on this first thing here, which is called the Eagle's Eye. It's quite similar like the one that we have in Malacca, whereby you go in, you'll be in circle, it'll take you all the way to the top. A long queue, we have to go through this because there's a lot of people, and see you guys up there. Okay, finally now, after like 30 minutes wait, we are inside the Eagle Eye ride. Okay, ourselves a seat. The last time I've ridden on this type of ride was back in 2010, if I'm not mistaken, in Malacca, which is called Menara Taming Sari.
The height of Taming Sari Tower is 110 meters and the observation area is at Malacca. Kemudian Anda dapat melihat kompleks Sangkit Center dan tinggalan untuk kawasan.
Let's see how different is this compared to that one. From this Eagle's Eye ride, we can see a clear view of the entire island, and we have to thank for the beautiful weather on that day. We can also see the entire water theme park and get a good idea on what other attractions are available. We can see there are more developments taking place, which means more attraction in the future. And sadly, because of these developments, we also found out that the beach has lost its charm. The overall wait for this ride was absolutely worth it. Okay, now it's time to go back down. So what's next? Well, here's the thing. Of course, we intended to go to the beach area, but now that after taking the ride, we saw that the whole beach has lost its pristine look compared to what it was last time. So we will explore a little bit more on this water park area and see if we can find some other interesting attraction. There were plenty of other attraction available at the water park, but we didn't try all of them. Maybe we're just too old for this. We did enjoy ourselves in the water, bringing out the inner child in us, especially me. Okay, we had a good time here at the water park. I must say that a lot here has changed compared to the last time we came here 5 years ago. But nevertheless, we had a good time.
Indeed, it's good to come around this month, November, December. It's not too sunny and windy. I think this is the best season to visit Phu Quoc Island.
Okay, so now we've got to catch our cable car back to the main island. we just got down from the cable car, out from the station, and now we are heading to another place, which is also part of the complimentary package that was given to us by our hotel. It's called the Kiss Bridge. Let's go and find out what's this place all about. We've just entered at the Kiss Bridge from the south wing. So basically this bridge is like two different curves that meets at a certain point. So it's a romantic place for couples. So basically from this section here, you can go straight using the south wing, or if you want it to be more romantic, one of you guys can use this direction and go towards the north wing. So guess who's going to the north wing then? So we actually stayed at the hotel, which is right behind one of those red buildings. It's a long walk in order to meet at that point over there, which is called the Touch or the Union. Behind me, what you're seeing here, this is where the famous Symphony of Sea show took place last night. So if you're coming from the north point, you'll be coming from this direction, and you go all the way here to where the Union Point is, which we are heading there right now. The amazing thing about this walk is that you have this amazing backdrop. I can see that we're almost there.
And this is where I see my husband.
Bit of stretching to do between one and the other.
Yeah, it's a hard work for us to meet each other, but yeah, this is a good meeting point. But I feel they should do something somewhere that we can walk over.
Alright now. So where do I meet you? Okay, alright. After spending the whole day out, it was time for us to check in into our next hotel. This will be our final hotel in the last 2 nights in Phu Quoc. So we opted to upgrade ourselves into a more luxurious stay. We've just arrived at our last hotel during our stay here in Phu Quoc. We are currently here at the Novotel Phu Quoc Resort, and of course, as soon as we get in, we're going to show you guys our room. Okay, now we've just checked into our last hotel here in Phu Quoc Island, and I promise you, this is the best one that we have stayed so far during our time here. Let me start here. As you walk in, first things first is you're going to see the bathroom. There's a toilet here, very nice looking sink, and a spacious shower. Alright, now let's go outside. Then of course, there's a place for you to keep your luggage, your bag. There is a cupboard. Look at the bed. This is a bed for kings and queens. Super comfy. And of course, you have your television set. And I believe there is a mini bar right here. Your standard amenities of a kettle, welcoming water, coffee, tea, and all that. And you got a nice desk here. Of course, the balcony view. As you can see, the birthday girl. This trip was all for her. She decided to choose this hotel for our last stay here in Phu Quoc Island. Later at night for dinner, we went to a restaurant nearby called BUP Seafood. As the name says it all, we have ordered some fresh steamed crabs, steamed ginger squids, battered cockle, stir-fried prawns, and stir-fried beef, including fried rice. Our verdict for the food is the squid. How good is it?
It's a steamed squid, ginger, so chewy but not the overcooked kind of chewy.
I just had a bit of some of the crab. Fresh, sweet. Overall, you know, the food here in Vietnam, compared to Malaysia, it's bland. The way they like to cook it here, they don't really put so much of salt, so much of MSG into the food. The next day, I was up early because I was going for a hike at a nearby hill. More on that in our next episode. Right after my hike, I came back to the hotel just in time to enjoy the morning breakfast. You can see from behind me here, it's pretty packed, pretty busy in the morning with a lot of people, so you can tell that the breakfast here is simply superb. Indeed, the hotel provides a wide variety of choice on their breakfast buffet. It ranges from continental to oriental food. You can find your sausages and bacon next to your fried rice and noodle. There is a decent selection of cold cut meats and salad as well. Not forgetting there is a variety of bread and cereal, and of course an omelette station. Alright, now I finally decided that for my breakfast I'm gonna go for a continental style. There you can see, you got your bacon, you got your pork sausage, you got your cheese omelette, you got some chorizo, you got a lot of cheese here, some Vietnamese roll pork, and including 2 slices of bread with butter. That's about it. Bon appetit. After breakfast, we went back to the hotel to get some rest. And later that same evening, we decided to head over straight to the beach. The sand is warm beneath our feet and the air is filled with a sense of peace and tranquility. It's the perfect time to relax and enjoy the beauty of the beach at sunset. Let's go find ourselves a place for us to crash and settle down. Let's go. As the sun descended, the world seems to hold its breath, igniting a vibrant colors of oranges, purples and pinks. It was the perfect ending to our final night here in Phu Quoc. We hope you enjoyed this sunset video of ours just as much as we did. As always, be sure to hit on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. Do give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment and share to as many friends as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my last video in our Phu Quoc series. Goodbye.